Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I am doing a DIY on perler beads. So I did not record these that I made in my hand. I have a seahorse, I have a crab, and I have and I have two little mermaids. I will be recording other ones that I did do so you can learn to make perler beads if you don't know, or these are actually going to be souvenirs. It's a great idea for my daughter's first birthday. It's mermaid theme, even though it's in the winter time, but my first birthday was Little Mermaid, so my daughter's first birthday is going to be mermaids. Keep the tradition alive. But yeah, so that's what I will be making in this video. Not these. Oh, I'll probably make other versions of these, but other sea creatures and mermaid creatures. This is a great idea for you if you don't have the money and you throw in a party, or you want to be frugal like I am and give kids, instead of spending like money on little plastic toys that they're gonna throw out. If you have these at home, which I do because I've done other projects, it's easier and cheaper, and once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. But yeah, so like always, like and subscribe to my channel so you can see more DIY and other videos, and comment down below on your ideas. Show me what you've done with perler beads. And now on to the rest of the video.